5694 16th Avenue Northeast. Doing a camera inspection from a clean out here in the crawl space. Sitting down in the city main right now. Pull back from here, record as we go. I'm going to get a proper footage count here of the 6-inch diameter pipe. So we're pulling back through 6-inch diameter clay. Hold on, let me pause the recording really quick. Alright, recording resumed. Alright. So yes, as I stated, this is a 6-inch diameter clay pipe. See the root intrusion at almost every bell. It's going to make it difficult to see that transition. Like 4-inch there. Alright, I'm going to go locate this spot. I believe this is our 4x6 transition. I'm going to pause the recording. Alright, that spot was located right in the retaining wall, so I'm going to push out just a couple more feet and catch it right here. I'm going to pause the recording again. Alright, that's located 5 feet deep right in the middle of the sidewalk, right at the edge of the sidewalk. So we're looking at 26 feet of 6-inch. Let me keep coming back. This will all be 4-inch. Sewer map shows no tie-ins in this line, and I can't really see if there are some that aren't on the map because of the roots in most of these sections. And right here, I'm going to locate this spot real quick. It appears to be a Y. I was not able to catch it from this spot, so I'm going to go just past this Y. See if I can catch it right there. Alright, it's 7 feet deep outside the foundation of this add-on here. I'm assuming it's an add-on because this clay pipe goes underneath the wall for this little crawl space area. So all of this is underneath in the crawl. I'm going to pause the recording there. Alright, so pull back from here. Other Y. Jeez. That is cast. So we're looking at 49 feet of liner. No. Where are we? Yep, and the rest of this is cast all the way back to the stack coming up. Alright, our access point right there, you can faintly see it inside this crawl space. Gonna end the recording there.